Lights, camera, popcorn. The classic companion of cinematic adventures holds an undeniable power. Many of you might have heard some pretty unhealthy things about popcorn. But first, watch this video. Because in today's episode, we'll show you some of the most amazing ways popcorn can heal your body. Its incredible benefits go beyond its irresistible crunch and buttery smell. Without any delay, let's begin. Number 1. Popcorn is chemical-free. In modern agriculture, the term GMO, or genetically modified organism, has raised concerns about its impact on our health. But popcorn is actually a non-GMO whole grain snack that offers various health benefits. As a whole grain, it contains all parts of the grain, including the bran, germ, and endosperm, due to which it provides important nutrients like fiber and many vitamins and minerals. Consuming whole grains like popcorn has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Additionally, many packed varieties of popcorn are usually free from toxic chemicals like PFOAs, or perfluorooctanoic acid. This chemical is sometimes used in the packaging of food items like fast food wrappers, candy wrappers, and pizza box liners. So when you are enjoying a bowl of popcorn, you can take comfort in the fact that it is a natural, toxic-free snack. But remember to choose air-popped popcorn varieties and avoid ones that come with trans fats and artificial flavors like sweet popcorn or salty popcorn. Especially the commercial popcorn found in many movie theaters is often prepared using low-quality vegetable oils, salts, and sometimes butter. So it's best to avoid them and go for natural, air-popped popcorn without any sweet or salty flavors. Before we move on, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you find our videos helpful, please support us by becoming a patron. Number 2. They are a great source of fiber. Naturally, popcorns are made from whole corn grains and are high in dietary fiber. Dietary fiber is a type of carbohydrate that our bodies cannot digest, but it plays an important role in maintaining digestive health and preventing many diseases. On average, plain air-popped popcorn contains around 1.2 grams of fiber per cup. Consuming popcorn this way helps in healthy weight management, promotes healthy digestion, prevents constipation, and supports overall gut health. Number 3. Weight management. As a low-calorie and high-fiber food, popcorn is a better snack option than typical potato chips or French fries, which are usually high-calorie, low-nutrient snacks. This is especially important if you want to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. An average-sized bowl of air-popped popcorn contains just about 30 calories, meaning you can satisfy your late-night or midday cravings without gaining those extra pounds. Number 4. It can help in blood sugar management. The fiber content in popcorn helps slow down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, resulting in a more gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream. This makes them even better than high-carb snacks that can cause your blood sugar levels to go haywire. Due to its high fiber content, popcorn can aid in stabilizing blood sugar levels and may even reduce your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Number 5. It's high in many nutrients. Popcorn is a good source of many essential nutrients, including vitamin B complex, vitamin E, magnesium, manganese, and phosphorus. These nutrients are important for various bodily functions, such as energy production, bone health, heart health, and maintaining a healthy nervous system. Especially yellow popcorn is quite rich in carotenoid antioxidants, namely lutein and zeaxanthin, both of which not only help in keeping good eye health, but also protect against age-related macular degeneration. Plus, they help our body fight inflammation, which can reduce the risk of developing many chronic diseases. Popcorn is also rich in several B vitamins, such as B3, B5, B6, and B9. Two of the most important functions of B vitamins are the production of energy and the metabolism of nutrients in our body. Phosphorus in popcorn supports healthy bone function, as well as the healthy function of many types of cells in our body. Number 6. It can help you reduce sodium intake. The air-popped popcorn makes for a tasty and healthy snack, as it is typically low in sodium, which can be great for maintaining good heart health. It can help you reduce your sodium intake, but of course, only if you are eating salt-free popcorn. And if you love flavored popcorn so much, then you can get creative and try different seasonings like herbs, spices, or even nutritional yeast to add a delicious flavor to them. Number 7. Popcorn may be very good for your teeth. Eating popcorn can stimulate saliva production, which helps wash away residual food particles and neutralize acids in the mouth. But be cautious of the popcorn kernels getting stuck between your teeth, and make sure to brush your teeth after enjoying popcorn. Number 8. Popcorn can also be good for your heart. Being a good source of fiber, popcorn helps lower bad cholesterol levels in the body, which can reduce your risk of developing high blood pressure, heart disease, and strokes. Obesity is a major risk factor for heart disease, but eating fiber from whole grains like popcorn helps suppress hunger and promote weight loss. This can further help you manage your weight, leading to overall better heart health. Number 9. Stress relief. Simply the act of chewing and the crunchy texture of popcorn can have a satisfying and stress-relieving effect. Chewing crunchy foods like popcorn helps release tension and provide a sensory distraction that can reduce stress and anxiety. But not just that, popcorn is a good source of tryptophan, an amino acid that is a precursor to serotonin, a neurotransmitter involved in mood regulation. Consuming foods rich in tryptophan can help support the production of serotonin, which can promote feelings of well-being and relaxation. This way, popcorn serves as a great snack that brings a sense of nostalgia or relaxation. Vitamin B3 present in popcorn is also known for its potential to naturally ease feelings of depression, literally making it a comfort food. Number 10. Popcorn offers better digestive health. According to the studies, people who regularly consume popcorn had improved their daily fiber intake by up to 22%. The hulls of popcorn add bulk to the stool, promote regular bowel movements, and help prevent constipation. Popcorn also contains a type of fiber known as resistant starch. Resistant starch acts as a prebiotic, which means it provides nourishment to friendly bacteria in the gut. These bacteria help maintain a healthy balance in the gut microbiome, which is important for digestion and overall well-being. Additionally, popcorn is also gluten-free, which makes it an excellent snack for gluten-intolerant people, who often find it hard to get healthy snack alternatives. Number 11. Popcorns are high in many antioxidants. Popcorns contain many antioxidants including polyphenols, which help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. And surprisingly, they have roughly 4 times more polyphenols as compared to fruits. An average serving of popcorn has up to 300 milligrams of polyphenols. Ferulic acid is another antioxidant found in popcorn. This compound has the ability to kill certain types of tumor cells, lutein and zeaxanthin. As we mentioned before, are 2 other antioxidants that help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss in older people. Lastly, vitamin E in popcorn also has antioxidant properties. It plays a significant role in supporting the immune system and promoting healthy skin. Number 12. Popcorn has anti-aging properties. Unhealthy aging is closely related to many conditions like wrinkles, age spots, vision loss, muscle weakness, bone degradation, neurodegenerative diseases, hair loss, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even cancers. And being a great source of many antioxidants, popcorn helps prevent the effects of unhealthy aging, keeping you happy and healthy even in your older ages. Thank you for watching and subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video.